A few words on ACGL's participation at the show.
See, ACGL is one of the main bus body builders in India, and it's been participating in Busworld for the last 3 times. This is the 3rd time that we participate. We have our own niches where we make buses. Our buses are mainly built for the school segment, or the staff segment, or the luxury or semi-luxury segment. And what we have showcased here in this exhibition is a demonstration of what we do. All the buses that we put here are the buses from our regular production, which we are actually sold to the customers. These are not specifically made for the show. So when you go into the bus, these are buses which are selling and which you would find on both Indian roads as well as international roads. The bus that's just behind me, this is a bus, it's a left-hand drive bus. This is a bus which we are showcasing for the Middle East market. And this is a school bus. The color is yellow and it's a school bus. And it's a luxury bus with AC and other features and the technical requirements of the Middle East market. Similarly, the bus that is there, that's showcasing a technology where the front and the rear face is all metal. And why that's made is basically because you have maximum damages on the front face or the rear face when the buses are running on the roads. And our customers have been constantly complaining about the replacement cost of these. So we said that let's make a metal bus. Let's make a metal face, and these are also made in sections. There are about 8 or 9 sections on both the front and the rear. So in case of any damage, we can just remove that and put it back. So it becomes very inexpensive for the customer to do that, and the turnaround time is as well very fast. The third is a luxury segment, a semi-luxury segment meant for the staff transportation. And this is in fact actually running in staff transportation in the IT sector, where some of the local municipalities want to reduce the congestion on the roads and they are encouraging bus transport for their staff. So that's the third one. And the last is an amphi bus. This is basically a requirement for the Goa government, where there is a requirement from the tourism industry of a bus which can fly both on the land and water seamlessly. And we are making it in collaboration with an American company called Advanced Amphibious Design. Okay, and this is the prototype. This has to go through the certifications, and most likely it will be in the market in Goa when you visit next time in somewhere September, October. So that's the amphi bus.
So I mean, how is your market? How is the market at Ajay?
So the market for ACGL has been good. It's been growing. We are a publicly listed company, so our results are available on the Bombay Stock Exchange. We are growing in terms of numbers. We are growing at an average of about 10 to 12% every year. Even in the recessionary cycle, we have been doing well, and we are making profit for our shareholders.
So how is the future? How is this current year and probably the next couple of years in the market?
The current year has been, the year that has just gone by has been good, like I said before, and the current year we are taking an aggressive target of growing by about 18%, and we would like to continue to grow in that, and we understand that there would be a ceiling on the segments that we are in. So we are also planning to get into other segments of mass transport, like the smaller segments of the 4-ton and intermediate segment, where ACGL's presence is significantly not there. We have only been there for very specific customers, but we would like to get into those segments, as well as go into the higher end of the spectrum, into the luxury segment.